Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reboot Samsung Galaxy Tab A11. Okay, the process is really easy, so I'm sure that all of you can handle it. All we need to do is to launch the power menu. We do it by holding the power button and volume down button at the same time for like 1.5 seconds. So hold power button and volume down button, just like that. Now simply tap the restart button and tap once again. You can see that the Samsung logo disappear right now, and now we just need to simply wait a few seconds until the device turns on. Of course, everything will be done automatically. Also, I will tell you that rebooting your device regularly, for example, once a week, it's good for your device health and its performance, because during that process we can say that our device rests for a moment, and also all of the processes that were running in the background are being closed, and thanks to that our RAM gets freed up. Okay, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.